This 2022 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 245RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Texarkana, Texas, 75503 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Powersports. This new Grand Design is 30 feet 8 inches in length and features one slide-out, a Gunstock interior, sleeps 4, TV antenna, Colorado Detector, water heater, air conditioning, self-contained, microwave, oven, smoke detector, LP detector, slide-out, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 245RL is 6,327 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Powersports, visit RVUSA.com.